If your kit came with nothing on the back of the board like this, then you will have these two in the box as well. So remove the adhesive from the base over here first, and use some judgment here. Make sure that you place this close to the screen as much as possible, as you can see. And as you can see, I did not place this all the way to the top. That is optional. You can place all the way to the top or slightly lower. And use the same technique for the second mount. So remove the adhesive first, and try to align the two mounts as much as you can. If it's not perfect, again, you don't need to freak out. You don't need to move the whole thing and start over. If this one is slightly higher, a little bit higher, then that is fine. You can account for that imperfection by adjusting the arm over here. But it's very important that when you install them, both arms need to be at the very top. As you can see, this is the very top, and the other one, the first one, was also at the very top. So use some judgment and try to put them as close as possible. As you can see, this is good enough. Apply some pressure, about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, now that's done. Remove the adhesive from this side, and now the most important part. So make sure these are at the same level, or as much as you possibly can. And now when you install this, be very careful. Make sure that this is not placed upside down, which is obvious. If it's upside down, then you won't be able to read the words here. So this is the correct way to install it. And this needs to also be placed in the center, and you might not get it perfectly right, but that is fine. You can always adjust the length over here by adjusting the arm. So try your best. Use some judgment and try to do this as best as you possibly can. So to do that, place it close, don't rush it. Make sure you're looking at all time, and make sure both are even, both sides are even. And when you touch it, the mount, then press against the board like this, and you're all set. Again, you can always adjust the height, as you can see. And if one side was a little bit higher, then you can always adjust one side just like this. You can adjust one side or the other side, as you can see. Okay. Once you adjust both, lift it up and make sure you tighten the board.